Hello dear student, now let us discuss the next topic in the chapter application of derivative, that is absolute extrema. Extrema means absolute maxima value and absolute minima value and its application. The value f of c is said to be the absolute maximum value of a function if c is in the domain of f and if f of c is greater than or equal to f of x. Here f of c is greater than or equal to f of x. For all x is in the domain of f, then we can say f of c is said to be absolute maximum value. F of c is greater than or equal to f of x. For all x is in the domain of f, then we say that c is the maximum value. And if f of c is less than or equal to f of x, here x is belongs to the domain of f, then we can say that this is the absolute minimum value. Here less than or equal to means absolute minimum value and it is greater than or equal to, that means it is a maximum value. Let us discuss some problem based on that one. First one, find the absolute maxima and minima of f of x is equal to x cube in closed interval minus 2 comma 2. Here domain is given, that is a minus 2 comma 2. Let f of x is given, f of x is equal to x cube, then f dash of x is equal to 3x square, that is equal to 0, that implies x equal to 0. Here x equal to 0 is the critical point of the given function. So x is equal to minus 2, 0, 2, then f of x is equals to minus 8, 0 and 8. We substitute the value of minus 2 here. Minus 2 cube is minus 8 and 0 cube is 0 and 2 cube is 8. Here maximum value is 8 when x is equal to 2. Therefore absolute maxima is 8 when x equal to 2 and absolute minima is minus 8 when x is equal to minus 2. Second problem, find the absolute maximum and minimum value of the function f of x is equal to cos square x plus sin x, where x belongs to 0 comma pi. 0 comma pi is the domain here. F of x equal to cos square x plus sin x. First we have to find the critical point of this given function, that is f dash of x is equal to differentiation of cos square x is 2 cos x into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus differentiation of sin x is cos x. In these two, cos x is a common, take it outside. Cos x into 2 sin x, 2 into minus sin x is minus 2 sin x, cos x outside left with the 1. So f dash of x is equal to 0, so cos x into 1 minus 2 sin x is equal to 0, that implies either cos x equal to 0 or 1 minus 2 sin x equal to 0. So cos x equal to 0 only when x is equal to pi by 2. Here cos sin x is equal 1 minus 2 sin x equal to 0, that implies sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Sin x equal to 1 by 2 means x value is either pi by 6 or pi minus pi by 6, because we know that sin of 180 minus theta is sin theta only. Therefore sin value is pi by 6 or pi minus pi by 6. That is equal to 6. This is equal to 6 1 is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 pi by 6. Therefore x equal to pi by 2, x equal to pi by 6, x equal to 5 pi by 6. These are the critical points of the given function. So x is equal to 0, pi by 6, pi by 2, 5 pi by 6 and the domain value is pi. We have to find the value of a function at these points. So cos 0 is 1, 1 square is 1, sin 0 is 0. Similarly these all values. So here what is the maximum value? Here we can see that maximum value is 5 by 4. 5 by 4, f of x has a maximum value, absolute maximum is 5 by 4 at pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6, and absolute minimum value is 1 for the value 0, pi by 2 and pi. Next one, the sum of a two number is 24. Find the number and their product when the product is a maximum. It is given that product is a maximum. Product is a maximum means f double dash of x is less than 0. Correct? Product is a maximum, then product is f of x is equals to x into y. If any two number we take x and y, their sum is given, that is 24, that is x plus y is equals to 24, and the product is given, that is x into y. Here we can write y in terms of x, that is x into 24 minus x by this equation, that is f of x is equal to 24x minus x into x is x square. So f dash of x is equals to 24 minus 2x and f double dash of x is equals to minus 2. F double dash of x is equals to minus 2, which is less than 0. Therefore x value is 12. Because x is equal to 12 is the critical point. At x equal to 12, f double dash of x is less than 0. This is the maxima of a given function. So the number is x is equals to 12. When x is equals to 12, substitute here. When therefore y is equals to 12. Therefore maximum of f of x is equal to x into y, that is equal to 12 into 12, that is equals to 144. Next is find the two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y is equal to 60 and x into y cube is a maximum. X into y cube is a maximum means f double dash of x is less than 0. So it is given that x plus y is equals to 60 and f of y is equal to x y cube, that is y cube as it is. Replace x by 60 minus y, that is equal to 60 into y cube minus y power 4. Differentiate with respect to y, we get f dash of y is equals to 180 y square minus 4y cube. So f double dash of y is equals to 360y minus 12y square. Equate f dash of y is equal to 0 to find the critical point. That is 4y square into 45 minus y is equal to 0. Either y equal to 0 or y is equal to 45. Since y is a positive means it is never be equal to 0. So y not equal to 0, therefore y is equal to 45. Substitute the value here. So f double dash of 45 is less than 0. Since it is less than 0, therefore f dash of y has a maximum value when y is equal to 45 and x is equal to 15. Next one, if the sum of the length of the hypotenuse and other side of the right angle triangle is given. It is given that the sum of the length of the hypotenuse and another side of the right angle triangle is given. Show that the area is a maximum when angle between them is 60. That is the hypotenuse and one side length is given. This angle we have to prove this angle is 60 degree. That is a z is the hypotenuse, x is a one side, that is a base value, and y is the another side of the right angle triangle. It is given that z plus x is equal to k, any constant number. Then we take the area. Area is equals to half into x into y, that is half into base into height. So that is equal to y is equal to square root of z square minus x square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, it is z square is equals to x square plus y square. That implies y square is equals to z square minus x square. Y is equals to square root of z square minus x square. But z value is k minus x whole square minus x square. That is equal to k square minus 2kx. So f of x is equals to a square, because we know that if a is a positive, then a square is also positive. So a square is equals to 1 by 4 into x square y square, that is equal to 1 by 4 x square. Y square value is square and square root getting cancelled. K square minus 2kx, that is equal to k by 4 into k square into x square is kx square minus 2kx, that is x into x cube. Sorry, here 1k is common. Next, f dash of x is equals to k by 4. K is a constant. Differentiation of x square is 2x. 2kx minus 6x square. 3 to the 6x square. So f double dash of x is equal to k by 4 into differentiation of 2kx is 2k minus differentiation of x square is 2x. 6 to the 12x. So that is f dash of x is equate f dash of x equal to 0 to find the critical point. So f dash of x equal to 0, that implies 2x into k minus 3x equal to 0, that implies x equal to 0 or x is equal to k by 3. But x is not equal to 0 because x is positive, that means x never be equal to 0. Therefore f double dash of k by 3 is less than 0. So f of x and a is a maximum when x is equal to k by 3, then y is equal to square root of x square minus 2k x. X value is k by 3. Therefore square root of k square by 3 that is equal to k by square root of 3, and hence tan theta is equals to y by x. By that picture we can say that tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side, that is y by x, that is equal to square root of 3. So tan theta is equal to square root of 3, that implies theta is equals to 60 degree. Next is show that the rectangle inscribed in a given circle, the square has the maximum area. That means show that the maximum rectangle that can be inscribed in a circle, this is the maximum circle. Maxima is given. Maxima means f double dash of x is less than 0. Maxima is given inscribed in the circle with the radius r is a square of a side, that is r into root 2. That is x and y be the length and breadth of the inscribed rectangle. The area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is x into y. So x into square root of, this is a right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem, this is equal to r plus r is a 2r, correct. 2r square is equal to x square plus y square. 2r square is a 4r square is equals to x square plus y square. So y square is equals to 4r square minus x square, that implies y is equals to square root of 4r square minus x square. So f of x is equals to x into square root of 4r square minus x square. Differentiate with respect to x, that is f dash of x is equals to, here we have to use a chain rule. X into differentiation of square root of 4r square minus x square is 1 divided by 2 into square root of 4r square minus x square into differentiation of minus x square is minus 2x, plus differentiation of x is 1 into square root of 4r square minus x square. After solving this we get here 2 getting cancelled. X into minus x is minus x square plus 4r square. Here common denominator is 4 square root of 4r square minus x square. So multiply to the numerator, we get square and square getting cancelled, square and square root getting cancelled. 4r square minus x square. Here minus x square is minus 2x square plus 4r square divided by square root of 4r square minus x square. It is then f double dash of x is equals to, again here we have to use a quotient rule, that is denominator square, that is equal to square root of 4r square minus x square the whole square. Numerator becomes square root of 4r square minus x square into differentiation of 4r square minus 2x square, that is x square, that is minus 4x minus differentiation 4x square minus 2x into differentiation of denominator is equal to minus 2x divided by 2 into square root of 4x r square minus x square. To find a critical point, equate f dash of x equal to 0. So f dash of x equal to 0 implies 4r square minus 2x square is equal to 0, implies x square is equal to 2 into r square, that implies x equal to square root of 2r square. A square and square root getting cancelled. For r into root 2. So f double dash of r into root 2 is less than 0. Hence f of x and area is a maximum when x equal to r into root 2. Then by using this x equal to r into root 2, substitute in the y value, we get y is equal to r into root 2. So x is equal to y is equal to r into root 2, so that the area of a rectangle inscribed in the given circle is maximum when their dimension is r into root 2, where r is the radius of a given circle. Next problem, a window is in the form of a rectangle surrounded by a semicircular opening. The total perimeter of the window is 10 meter. Find the dimension of the window to admit a maximum light through the whole opening. It is given that this is a one rectangle, its width is x and height is y. This is surrounded by one semicircular opening. Here semicircular opening is there. It is given that the perimeter of this window is 10. Perimeter means side, sum of the sides. Here x plus y plus surface area of this semicircle, full circle, its surface area is 2 pi r, correct, 2 pi r, but it is semicircle, so half into 2 pi r value is x by 2. This full is x, here half means x by 2 and x by 2, that is equal to 10. So x plus y plus y is 2y and x plus 2 getting cancelled, pi x by 2. Taking the common denominator is 2, multiply whole equation by 2, we get 2 into x is 2x, 2 into 2y is 4y, plus 2 getting cancelled, pi x, that is equal to 2 into 10 is 20. That is y is equal to 20 minus pi x minus 2x divided by 4. Here area, then area is equals to area of a rectangle and area of a semicircle. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth, that is xy, plus area of a circle is a pi r square, but here semicircle, so half into pi into r value is x by 2 whole square, that is equal to xy plus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 pi into x square. So f of x is equal to 20x minus pi x square minus 2x square divided by 4 plus pi x square divided by 8. Substitute the value of y in this equation. So f dash of x is equals to 1 by 4 into differentiation of 20x is 20 minus differentiation of pi x square is 2 pi x minus differentiation of 2x square is minus 4x plus differentiation of x square is 2x, 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 20 minus 2 pi x minus 4x plus pi x divided by 4. So 20 minus 2x plus pi x minus 2 pi x plus pi x is equals to minus pi x minus 4x divided by 4. Now differentiate again with respect to x, we get differentiation of 20 is 0, differentiation of minus pi x is minus pi, differentiation of minus 4x is minus 4 divided by 4. Take a minus sign outside, we get minus of pi plus 4 divided by 4. Here minus sign, therefore this is a less than 0, that means it attains a maximum value. F double dash of x is less than 0 means it attains a maximum value. So f dash of x is equals to 0, f dash of x is equals to 0 means 20 minus pi x minus 4x is equals to 0, that implies x is equals to 20 by x plus pi plus 4. So by using this value, substitute the value of x is equals to 20 by pi plus 4 in this equation, we will get the value of y is equal to 10 by pi plus 4. These two are the dimension of a given window, that is the required dimension are 20 by pi plus 4 centimeter and 10 by pi plus 4 centimeter. Come to next problem. Find the maximum area of an isosceles triangle inscribed in the ellipse. It is given that one isosceles triangle is inscribed in the ellipse and it is given that a maximum area we have to find with its vertex at one end of the major axis. It is the major axis, one end of the isosceles triangle is in the major axis. Any point on the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 can be written as a cos theta plus comma b sin theta, because if you substitute a cos theta here, that is a square cos square theta, a square getting cancelled, y value is b sin theta, that is a b square sin square theta, b square getting cancelled, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So let the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle and area of a triangle is equals to half into base into height. Here base is BC, height is AD. That is base is b sin theta into b sin theta is 2b sin theta plus a cos theta. So f of theta is equals to 2 getting cancelled, AB sin theta plus into 1 plus cos theta. Here a is common. Find theta such that f of theta is a maximum, because it is given that a maximum area, so f of theta is maximum. So f dash of theta is equals to AB into differentiation of sin theta is cos theta into 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta into differentiation of 1 plus cos theta is minus sin theta. So AB into cos theta plus cos square theta minus sin square theta. So cos square theta minus sin square theta is equals to cos 2 theta. Now find f double dash of theta. F double dash of theta is equals to AB into differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin 2 theta into differentiation of 2 theta is 2. So the minus sign is common, minus AB into sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta, which is less than 0. Therefore it attains the maximum value. Now equate f dash of theta is equal to 0 to find the critical point. So f dash of theta is equals to 0, that implies AB into cos theta plus cos 2 theta is equals to 0. Cos theta plus cos 2 theta is equals to 0. This is in the form of cos A plus cos B. Cos A plus cos B is equals to 2 times of cos of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. So theta plus 2 theta is 3 theta. 2 theta minus theta is equals to theta. So 2 into cos 3 theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 is equal to 0. That implies either cos 3 theta by 2 is equal to 0 or cos theta by 2 is equals to 0. Cos 3 theta by 2 is equal to 0 means cos of 90 is 0, correct? Cos of 90 is 0. So 3 theta by 2 is equals to pi by 2, that implies theta is equals to pi by 3. This is not possible because theta by 2 is equals to pi by 2, 2 getting cancelled, theta is equals to pi. But when theta is equals to pi, cos pi never be equal to 0. So f double dash of pi by 3 is less than 0, therefore area is a maximum when theta is equals to pi by 3. Therefore maximum value is A is equals to AB into sin of pi by 3 into 1 plus cos of pi by 3. That is AB into sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2 into 1 plus cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Taking a LCM, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 by 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 root 3 AB divided by 4 squaring it. This is the maximum area when theta is equal to pi by 3. Now come to next problem. A tank with a rectangular base and a rectangular sides. The base is rectangle and sides is rectangle. Open at the top is to be constructed so that its depth is 2 meter. Depth is given 2 meter and volume is 8 meter cube. If building of a tank cost rupees 70 per square meter for a base and rupees 45 per square meter for a side, what is the cost of a least expensive tank? Least expensive tank means it is a minima value. Minima value means f double dash of x is greater than 0. Take one tank here. Its length is x and breadth is y and height is given, that is 2, and volume is given. Volume of a tank is 2 into length into breadth, that is L into B into H, but H is given 2, so volume is 8. 8 is equals to 2xy implies xy is equals to 4 centimeter. Here xy is a area of a base, correct? Area of a base is length into breadth, that is x into y is equals to 4 meter square. So total area of other sides, here taking this rectangle, its area is 2 into y and this side also 2 into y, here 2 into x and that side also 2 into x. So area of other 4 sides are 2x plus 2x is 4x, 2y plus 2y is 4y. So S is the surface area of the tank. S is equal to area of a base plus area of a 4 faces. So area of base is xy and area of 4 faces is 4 into x plus y, but xy value we know that is 4 and 4x plus 4y. But x into y is equal to x into y is equal to 4, that means y is equal to 4 by x. Substitute y is equals to 4 by x. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get x 4 into 1 plus 4 into differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, that is equal to 4 into 1 minus 4 by x square. So double differentiation, second derivative is d square s by dx square is equal to 4 into 8 by x cube. By seeing this only we can say that this is a greater than 0. Therefore it has a minima value. So substitute ds by dx equal to 0, that implies 1 minus 4 by x square equal to 0, that implies x equal to 2. When x equal to 2, we will get the value of y is equal to 2. But base area we know that 4 meter square and area of 4 faces is 4 into x plus y, that is x value is 2, y value is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 4 is 16. So least cost of the tank is 4 into 70 per meter square. They are given that is rupees 70. Here 4 into area is 4 meter square, 4 into 70 plus here area of other four faces is 16. 16 is into per meter square 45 rupees. 16 into 45 that is equal to 280 plus 720 that is equal to 1000 rupees. Now come to next problem. Show that the semi vertical angle of the cone of a maximum volume and of a given slant height is tan inverse of root 2. We have to find semi vertical angle. Semi vertical angle is here alpha. This is a one cone, this is a height, and this is the slant height. Slant height is a constant, and r is the radius of the base. Radius of the base. We have to prove that the semi vertical angle is, that is alpha, is equal to tan inverse of root 2. Here r, h, l, v be the base radius, height, slant height, and volume of the cone respectively. Volume of a cone v is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square into h. This is the right angle triangle, so l square is equals to h square plus r square, so that we find h square is equals to l square minus r, h square is equals to r square. Substitute r square here, l square minus h square, so that is 1 by 3 into pi, l square into h is l square h minus h square into h cube. So dv by dh is equals to 1 by 3 pi h into l square minus 3h square. Differentiate with respect to h. L square h is l square only, and differentiation of h cube is 3h square. Sorry, here h is not there. So d square v by dh square is 1 by 3 pi into differentiation of this one is 3 to the 6h, which is less than 0 because it is a maximum volume. So now equate dv by dh to 0. So dv by dh equal to 0. So l square minus 3h square is equal to 0. Since h is greater than 0, L is equals to square root of 3 divided into h. So V is a maximum, that is volume is a maximum when the square root of 3 into h is equal to L, or h by L is equal to 1 by root 3. But it is given by this triangle, this is alpha, this is L, this is h and r. Cos alpha is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is h by L. By h by L value is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, h value is a 1, L value is a root 3. So we know that L square is equals to h square plus r square. By that we can say that r is equals to root 2. So tan alpha is equals to root 2 divided by 1. So alpha is equals to tan inverse of root 2.